Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Ryan Derusso. It's currently like 5 in the morning right now, and the last few hours, me, my sister, and her husband have had a little prank war going on, and pretty much I'm about to get them back really, really, really good. They're going to be really mad at me, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to set the smoke detectors off, and they're going to freak out, hopefully, and I'm going to try to record it on this camera and my GoPro, but we'll see how it goes and turns out. Keep watching. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to come on here and say thank you for checking out that video. It was an extreme fail. Pretty much my GoPro was sitting right here on this ledge and recording through this hallway the whole time, and can't really see it very well in the video, but there's a smoke detector right up there, and yeah, so pretty much what I didn't know is the battery is almost dead in it. So if you see me freaking standing there holding the pot for 35 minutes, that's the reason why. And also, another big problem, let me grab my GoPro. Yeah, pretty much, this is the back door on the GoPro. I don't think on this model of GoPro you can actually take the camera out of the case, but anyways, with the door shut, the volume of the slamming the door and him talking and yelling, you couldn't really hear it very well. But yeah, there's the bathroom that I was going in, and then there's my roommate's door right there. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this prank, although it was an extreme fail. It didn't work out too well, and it made my house so smoky and smell terrible all day. But yeah, just stay tuned to this channel. I got some more videos coming in the next few weeks, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and went down below and checked out my social media. Post some pretty awesome stuff on Snapchat and Instagram, so if you would follow me, that'd be great. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching.